I'm going to get this back up under here, right? Where's my pick? I put it here. Here it is. My pick. Okay. Okay, didn't do that. All right, here, just put the pick around here. Get a little tension on there. Come on, come on. All right, here. There we go. Got it. Now, get it up and around the motor. Yay! It's around the motor. Okay. Now. So see how that works? This rotates that, that rotates this, and so on and so forth, right? Okay, so we take the one machine screw, wait, gotta get this thing lined back up on here. There it is, okay, right there. So we're sticking, okay, so you need the one tiny little thing, is this one here. What did I use to get that out with? Did I use this? I did, I guess. Alright, so here. Let's get this. Alright, this is where I use these things. Where to go? I had one. Okay, give me another one here. Just give me one of these. This is where I get one of these. I take this, get the screw, hold it in place like that. I can't lose it, right? Help this, put this in here, line the hole up, put that in there, pull it away, and then put the screwdriver on it, right? Well, the screwdriver is magnetized a little bit, darn it, it's so small a screw. See if I can't get it to stay on the end of the screwdriver. Come on now, great, now, stay on there, under the hole. Tiny little thing, you. Well, there we go. Snugging it. I'm not trying to get it down there as tight as possible. So now, as I know what I'm doing, I'm going to bring a power supply up here. Here's power supply, right? And I'm going to put it in the back of the tape player, okay, which is right here. Okay, and then we're going to get my happy little demonstration tape, which is, where's the tape? Okay, put that here, this here, that there, right? I'm going to flop this up, okay? Get that out of the mechanism. I'm going to put this in here like that, and then we're going to hit, which one is play? Can't remember. Okay, so stop, okay, so pause, stop, fast forward, rewind, and play. So this play, there's play, okay, and then here is that way, and stop, and then here is that way, and stop, and then this is play all day long, right? So that's how you do that. Okay, so you see that? Wait. Let's see here, wait. Okay, where'd my remote control go? Is it in my pocket? It's on here? There it is. Okay, so how many minutes did I do? 53 minutes. Oh crud. Yeah, 53 minutes. So there'll be part 1 and part 2. Okay, well, 53 minutes, there it is, so hit stop, go that way, hit stop, go this way, do that, do play mode, right, there's play mode. All works now, okay, just need to hit stop, that way, this way, all day long, right, back to play mode. Okay, so, done with this, okay. What did you think? Was it easy, hard, difficult, tedious, clean? I don't know. I'm gonna take let's see here. So I want to what do I want to do? Nothing to do. It's just two belts. Just needed that secondary belt right there, right? Just can you see that? Wait. Can I zoom into this? Yeah, so it's like, yeah. There you go, it just needed this belt right here. Just need to install that belt. That's all you need to do. Just put it underneath, but you got to take this off to get to that, right? So there it is, working just fine, all right? Anyway, I've had too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. It's 53 minutes. All I'm going to do is put it back together, reverse way, put it together. I'm going to take some, let's see here. I've got deoxide gold, and I've got the fader stuff, right? So here's the fader and that stuff. This has got more cleaner, this has got more lubricant, okay? More cleaner, more lubricant. They both do the same thing. I prefer this one, but if you need to lubricate something more, then use this. It still has cleaner, but not as much as this one does. And that's basically the difference between these two cans, okay? So I'm just gonna, and of course, always good to have a can of air, any brand, doesn't matter. Okay. And then I like using this stuff, Puretronics, but I can't find it. It's got, you know, contact cleaner and lubricant. It's stock number 5000, but I can't find it anymore. Wish I could find that. Okay, so yeah, tooted. Okay, so anything else? Just gonna close these down. Let's see. Did unplug it, right? Yes. Unplug it. Okay. Just a white bit of that. Run these up and then just just a dab will do you. Do it. Yeah, that's fine. This is the volume. There's no balance on this that I know of, and then there's the function switches up there, but anyway. Okay, so I've had fun. I'm going to turn this camera off because I think you understand how this goes. 57 minutes, this thing shut off at, well, okay, so bye. Turn you off and say good day. Alright, and I'll take a picture of the inside of this so you know what it looks like. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.